Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Cerise Hood from After Hike and Trust and Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the Cerise Hood looks like. First of all, for the hair, you can choose this hair and then you're going to color it black and then combine it with this bang, make it black and white, and put on this jeans, apply this pattern, and then the sleeves, apply the same pattern, and then this belt, make it this color, and then this boots you're going to make it brown and black, and then you're going to put on this top, and for this top you're going to apply the pattern from the world culture update, this pattern guys, and then you're going to put on this top from the pirate set, and then you're going to choose only necklace and color it with this gray color. Okay, and I'm going to move to the next area. You're going to put on this skirt and then you're going to make it black, this black color, and I'm going to put on this skirt as well and I'm going to make it black. Okay, done. And I'm going to put on this item guys, this one, and then we're going to make it red, this red color. Okay, this is for the color code. Then you're going to go to the VIP room and put on this cape, and then you're going to choose only cape light air, and then you're going to color it with the same red color, and then put on this basket of flower, this one, and we're going to apply pattern for the flower. Okay, apply this pattern for all the flowers. Okay, done. And then the last one, I'm going to put accessory, this accessory. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recreate Cerise Hood from After Hike and Trust and Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.